Hello, hello, hello. I am GK Next Level, and the next level strategy makes me money. Hey, I got a request on how to get notifications of the signals on your phone in MT5. So this is the setup. This is what you do. You can hit Control I or right click and select indicator list, and then you want to select the signals that you are using, and then you want to click on properties, and then you want to scroll down and you just want to see a push notification. You just want to double click on that. It's going to change it to true. Select OK, close this window. Now you want to select on tools and either hit Control O or select options, and you want to hit the notifications tab, and then you want to enable push notifications. But before you can actually get the signals, you need the software on your phone. So you need to download it to your iPhone or to your Android phone by clicking either one of these buttons, and now you need your MetaQuotes ID. So once you have installed the software on your phone, you're going to see a screen that's going to look like this, and it's going to say your MQID. Now when you push or tap on this, it's going to come up with a little screen that shows what your MetaQuotes ID is, and it's going to be a copy button. You just click the copy button, and then all you have to do is click in this box and then paste it in this block and click OK, and you're done, and you should get the notifications. Now, as always, I need you to like and subscribe, and make sure you set the notifications so if any videos we do that you can stay up to date on what's going on. And as always, I wish you the best in everything that you do.